Hey YouTube, today we are going to share with you a very delicious recipe of chicken 65. It's very easy and simple to make, so do try this. So let's get started. So here we are taking 2.2 pound of chicken pieces and 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger and garlic paste and salt as per taste, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. And we also need 1 egg, and we are going to add these ingredients to the chicken. And other than that, we also need few curry leaves and 6 to 7 slitted green chilies and vinegar 1 cup. Now we are going to add all these ingredients in the chicken, and along with these ingredients we are also going to add the vinegar. You can take 1 tablespoon of vinegar or 1 small cup like this, and you can add it. And we are also going to add the egg, and we are going to mix it thoroughly. And now we are going to set this aside for marination for an hour. Now we are going to fry these pieces after marinating. While marinating, you can even add red color, but it's optional. And after frying these pieces in the same oil, we are going to fry the curry leaves and slitted green chilies, and then we are going to add the chicken pieces to it. Now to this we are going to add soya sauce, around 1 teaspoon to 1.5 teaspoon. And then we are going to mix it thoroughly. So guys, very easy and quick recipe, and it turns out to be very tasty. Do try this and like this video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you so much for watching.